This episode is called Kindness is Cool. Yeah, today we are learning how important it is to be kind. Kind to our friends, the animals, and the planet. Enjoy!
It's Tuppi Time. It's Tuppi Time. It's Tuppi Time.
Hello and welcome to Tuppi Time. It's me, Sunny, here with our favorite koala friend Tuppi. Hey, today we're gonna go on a big adventure into the Australian bush. Did you know that the First Nation people who've been living here since 65,000 years call this place Cubby Country? And it's also known as the Sunshine Coast of Australia. And it's Tuppi's home. Tuppi, these are really cool sunglasses. Do you know what else is cool? Kindness is cool. And it's so kind of you, Tuppi, to share your home with us today and show us all your favorite spots. Tuppi? Are you sleeping behind your sunglasses? No time for that. We're gonna go on an adventure. Come on, let's go. Oh no, Tuppi! Poor little Tuppi! It looks like poo! I think we gotta clean you up now, little friend. Wait for me, Tuppi! I think that tree is a bit too tall for me. Wait a moment, what's this up there? Is that your home, Tuppi? I thought koalas live in between branches and not in little wooden houses like this. I remember now. I learned that at school. There are cool people who look after these bush areas and they place those little houses up there for tiny little creatures. Can you guess what little creatures live in those houses? They have a long tail, small button nose with whiskers. They like to munch on fruit and they're good at balancing. Can you guess who lives in that house? Yes, it's a possum. Humans cut down lots of trees to make room for buildings, so possums don't have many places to call home anymore. That's not kind or cool. But you know what's cool? Caring and making sure everybody, human or animal, have somewhere to call home. That is super cool. Wow, I'm learning so much and learning is so important. If you want your kids to learn more, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button to help us create more free videos for your kids to learn even more. A snake! Go away, snake! Go away! Snakes make loud hissing noises. I'm gonna hiss right back at you. think the snake has a burnt nose. I had a burnt nose before, and it's not very nice. Hey, Tuppi, should we offer that snake some sunscreen? Okay. You're kind of kind, snake, and kind of cool, and kindness is cool. I didn't leave that rubbish here, Tuppi. Let's keep playing. Oh. No, Tuppi, I wouldn't like it if you left rubbish in my bedroom, or my bathroom, or my living room, and my parents wouldn't like it either. This is Tuppi's home, and we don't make a big mess in our other friends' homes, so we can't make a mess in Tuppi's home either. I'm gonna pick up that rubbish now, even though I didn't put it there, because we gotta be kind to our friends, and kind to the animals, and kind to the planet. Kindness is so cool. We had so much fun in the bush together today. And I learned so much. I love playing with all the animals and all the plants. And I really liked Snake and Possum. Hey, Tuppi, I was thinking about something. We are not alone on this planet Earth. We share it with many creatures and other humans. And we have to look after one another and the planet as well. We have to be kind because kindness is cool. Hey, if you like Tuppi Time, make sure to like and subscribe. And then we see you next time when it's Tuppi Time. Bye!